Hello dears, you are welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be looking at Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit can have some kind of funny taste and it's not so pleasant. But you can have it with fruits too, or make into juice and mix them together. Ginger is not exempted too. It gives it this very nice taste. So all you have to do first is prepare your Aidan fruits. You cut into pieces, then wash thoroughly, as it comes with dirt too and dust sometimes. So after washing, you can add it into a pot. Then you can boil along with the back of your pineapple. You don't need to throw away the back of your pineapple. It contains, it's richly high in bromelain and vitamin C. So you can have it boiled as tea. In other words, you can add it together with the Aidan fruit before boiling. So once that is done, add your water to your Aidan fruits, then you set the fire and let it boil for like 5 to 7 minutes or even 10 minutes. So in the meantime, you prepare your other fruits. It mustn't be pineapple or citrus. You can add other fruits too, just to add to the flavor. So we have our pineapple, we have some oranges and ginger. We prepare them and have them juiced, everything together, the pineapple, the orange and the ginger. So first off, you prepare them well. I'm going to use a blender to juice, so it would be nice if I cut into smaller pieces. I'm cutting it this way because I want to extract the pit of the orange. It makes the juice a little bit bitter, so you might want to deseed it and remove the pit. Then you cut your pineapple into smaller sizes. This will enable the blending faster. So once you are done, just put them in your blender, then you juice in few minutes. Aidan fruit is very healthy herb. It aids in digestion. You can even use it as a weight loss therapy. So once it's completely boiled and cold, just mix it up with your juice and you have your Aidan fruit juice. You can use it as treatment for infertility. Okay, it increases fertility and it elevates menstrual cramp too, depending on how you prepare it. So this I'm going to place in a small bottle so that it will be easy to have a shot every day. So this size is enough. Too much of it could make you purge. So this is enough for you daily. So this can go a whole week, a shot per day. I hope this was useful.